My administration will respect the independence of the judiciary.
The security detail assigned to Honorable Justice Mugambi were disarmed and withdrawn.
Temna, Mr. Gilbert Masengeli is sentenced to 6 months imprisonment.
Chief Justice Martha Koome has strongly condemned the National Police Service for withdrawing security detail of High Court Judge Justice Mugambi. This action comes shortly after Justice Mugambi sentenced the Acting Inspector General of Police Gilbert Masengeli to 6 months in prison for contempt of court.
Inspector General was subsequently found in contempt and sentenced on 13th of September 2020. In the wake of this ruling, a disturbing action was taken by the National Police Service over the weekend. The security detail assigned to Honorable Justice Mugambi were disarmed and withdrawn. This deliberate and punitive measure represents a direct assault on judicial independence, an affront to the rule of law, and a violation of the principles enshrined in our Constitution.
Now, CJ Koome emphasized that this move undermines judicial independence and violates constitutional principles. She called for the immediate reinstatement of Judge Mugambi's security, highlighting that judicial officers must be able to perform their duties without fear of retribution.
The act of withdrawing the security of a sitting judge following a judicial decision that displeased certain authorities is deeply concerning.
The police withdrew Judge Mugambi's security details shortly after the sentencing of Acting Inspector General of Police Gilbert Masengeli to 6 months in prison for contempt of court. Now, this action appears to be a retaliatory move which has raised significant concerns about judicial independence and the safety of judicial officers. Withdrawing such security details has several implications to the judges and magistrates in Kenya. For example, this is a threat to the judicial independence, and it shows that an attempt to intimidate the judiciary, potentially undermining the independence of judges and other magistrates who might fear similar repercussions for their rulings.
I want to assure you that my administration will respect the independence of the judiciary, will respect the independence of all the other institutions in a manner that makes them efficient to deliver on their respective mandates.
And it also raises concerns about their safety, because if they make a decision to certain powerful entities, they might also face the same. And this creates some kind of erosion to public trust. Such actions can even erode public confidence in the judicial system, and it might appear that the judiciary is not free from any external pressures and influences. So what are your thoughts on that? These implications highlight the importance of maintaining a clear separation of powers and ensuring that judicial service officers have the liberty to perform their duties without any fear of retribution. And of course, this some of the things that we need to discuss in this country. My name is King Rudy King Matela. This is definitely where you belong. King Matela TV is definitely where you need to subscribe, because this and other stories will be uploaded in here for the better part of this year and the future. What are your thoughts on that? Tell me on the comment section below. And of course, if you like these videos and you'd like to support us, there is an M-Pesa number which is pinned on the comment section, and of course also the super thanks button somewhere there. You can send it there.